Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Endpoint.
What does the dictionary say?
The point on each side of an interval marking its extremity on that side.
Math rap.
What does an endpoint represent? The two furthest points on a line segment. Let's look at a shovel for an example made. The two endpoints are the handle and blade.
Math rap.
Explain endpoints in your own words. A start and finish can be two endpoints. List 5 things that you start and finish. Is the endpoint of a movie when the credits roll or after the credits are done rolling? Look around the room. Point to the endpoint of different things. If someone asks you why you're doing this, point it out to them. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!